Welcome to our kitchen tale. Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng salmon with garlic lemon. Kailangan po natin ng garlic, 7 pieces garlic means. Alam niyo po ba yung garlic can reduce blood pressure and it improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. I use 1/4 cup of olive oil, but it's better kung 3 tablespoon lamang po dahil ang salmon ay full of fats already. Then, 1 whole lemon. As you can see po, niroll ko yung lemon para maraming juices ang makukuha natin. So, 1/4 cup of lemon juice po ang nakuha natin. Then, mix po natin yung garlic sa lemon and olive oil. Lalagyan po natin ito ng 1 tablespoon of paprika. And then, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. And a teaspoon of ground pepper or pamintang durog. Then, i-mix lang po natin at pwede na nating ilagay sa salmon. Of course po, ang main ingredient natin is yung salmon. Atin po itong aasinan. Kung ano pong ordinary asin, it's okay. And to give you an info about salmon, salmon is one of the most nutritious food. This fatty fish is loaded with nutrients. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a great source of protein, high in B vitamins, a good source of potassium, and it can reduce the risk of heart disease, and many more. After po nating asinan, pwede na po nating i-pour out yung mixture. It's optional lamang po ang paglalagay ko ng dahon ng dill, which is I harvested from our mini garden. Then, optional din po ang paglalagay ng lemon toppings. Now, let's put it in the oven. It must be 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Ngayon po, pwede na yung ating salmon with garlic lemon. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang salmon with garlic lemon. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.